Good afternoon, Mr. Stickley.
Good afternoon, Judge. Just to recap, is this just a failure to appear on is it a pretrial?
He failed to appear on a last pretrial. His attorney was Ross Truckee. I tried to run down Ross Truckee and see whether he was scheduled to be here for anything today, and he was not. We couldn't. Jeanette had left before the time I got around to this.
No, that's no problem.
He failed to appear for an attorney pretrial on a domestic violence. He's on probation right now for an earlier assault charge, and he's set for sentencing on an attempted R&O for February 3rd. He failed to appear to report to probation, and he failed to appear for the pre-sentence investigation on the attempted R&O. My intention is to cancel his bond and set him for a last pretrial this Thursday with Mr. Truckee.
Ross should be there, so that should work.
Yeah, he'll be there on Thursday. I've got a busy afternoon, but I can fit this in. So I'll be able to do the last pretrial that he failed to appear for on Thursday, January 29th. I just missed Jeanette. Let me see, here's some input on Mr. Gowan. He was on pretrial services, doing very poorly regarding that. Good afternoon, Mr. Gowan. This is Judge Middleton. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Also with me is Mr. Keith Stickley, the Chief Public Defender. I asked him to join us. You got arrested either last night or the night before on a bench warrant. How did you come to get arrested?
Oh, I turned myself in last night.
This case is file 251871 SM. It's a domestic assault charge. It's alleged that on or about September 13th that you assaulted Jada Gowan. You failed to appear for this matter previously back in October, and I did a bench warrant. You got arrested in December. I lay you out. I set a pretrial for December 4th, and you got out on December 1st and failed to appear on December 4th. No, I set an attorney pretrial for January 2nd. You failed to appear on January 2nd. I issued a bench warrant for your arrest. You were here on December 4th. Mr. Truckee tried to contact you. We did a bond forfeiture with your bonding company to forfeit your bond. Your pending sentence in front of Judge Pattison on an attempted resisting instructing malicious destruction of property in file 252453FY. Autumn Kiefer from the probation department says you failed to appear for your pre-sentence interview in that matter. You're also on probation for a previous assaultive offense in file 251958. Ms. Kiefer says you failed to appear for intake for probation. So I don't know what happened, but you finally decided to just turn yourself in. What prompted you to just turn yourself in?
Well, I've been homeless, and the fact of me being homeless, I've been living down in Indiana, and being on probation, that's not what she would like me to do. And honestly, I'm an adult, and I'm not gonna just let Autumn Kiefer sit around and tell me I can't do that because I'm homeless. So the fact of the matter is I might as well turn myself in and get the time over with and just get out and go back to living my life.
Well, there's some logic to that. All right. In this case, your bond is canceled for at least the time being. I'm going to set the last pretrial. Your attorney's scheduled to be here for 1/29/27 at 2 o'clock. That's this Thursday. We can deal with your bond again at that time, but I don't want you to bond out and go in the wind again. You got the probation issue, you got the fail to appear, you're set for sentencing in front of Judge Pattison on February 3rd. So you got 3 cases going on here. So your bond here is canceled. We'll deal with your real attorney, your appointed attorney, Mr. Truckee. We will have a attorney pretrial before jury on January 29th at 2 o'clock. And at that time, we can readdress your bond. So it's warm. You got meals. You'll be good for a while here. It's real cold and real snowy out there. It's not a good time to be homeless. I'll see you on Thursday afternoon at 2 o'clock, Mr. Gowan.
All right, thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Stickley.
Sure, anytime, Judge. Have a good day.